Students, a pleasant and wonderful good morning to all of you. Welcome you all back to online English class. Today, we shall learn chapter 11 of your grammar book. Chapter 11 is about prepositions. You have already learned about prepositions in your lower classes. So, there is nothing new about this lesson. All the same, we shall have a look at the lesson. First of all, what is a preposition? You may know the definition, I believe. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship of one word to another in a sentence. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship of one word to another in a sentence. A preposition tells us four things. The four things are: first, where something is, it shows location. Second, where something is going, it shows direction. Third, when something happens, it indicates time. Fourth, the relationship between a noun or a pronoun and another word in a sentence. Now, we shall have a look at a list of prepositions most commonly used. Please listen. At, by, from, in, for, of, on, till, up, with, about, above, across, inside, outside, over, before, behind, beneath, below, around, along, amidst, within, without, beside, through, near, until, after, during, down, between, among. These are some common prepositions. Now you can look at your worksheet. There are about 28 sentences. You will fill the blank spaces with appropriate prepositions.